we are finally there. The derivative of sine and cosine. Woo-hoo, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's do it. So the derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of cosine, and here is where the math gods have made us cry. The derivative of cosine isn't sine, it is negative sine. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because if the derivative of cosine had been sine, our life would be easy and good. But because it's got a negative, we have to be super careful about that negative, that this formula has a negative and this one does not. Okay, sounds simple enough, right? Oh, trust me, students will forget that the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So how the heck do you remember? All right, I had a student some years ago who showed me a cute trick that he had for remembering what order it is. And it has to do with, for those who visualize trig using the unit circle. So if you are a unit circle fan, then you know that the y is the sine and the x is the cosine. Now, typically we write sine theta, cosine theta, but I'm just going to write sine x, cosine x, okay? But I could write sine theta and cosine theta. All right, so positive y is sine, positive x is cosine. Okay, now, if positive y is sine, that means that negative y is negative sine. So we're going to go there. We're going to write positive, we're going to write negative, and we're going to do the same on the horizontal, so I'm going to write negative. Okay, are you ready for the magic? Here it is. Go clockwise. The derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. Hey, if you want to take the derivative of negative sine, you'd get negative cosine. If you want to take the derivative of negative cosine, it's sine. So just draw this picture. I have students draw this on their test. The first second they get that test, they draw this with the circle, and so that way, for the rest of the test, they are good. They know that this is the order we want to go in. Okay, so from here on out, I need you to memorize these facts. If you are stumbling over these facts, calculus is going to be a lot of pain. You want to make sure you know your basic facts, and this qualifies as a basic fact. All right, in the next video, we're going to actually be doing some derivatives.